Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to cook this cheese vegetable casserole here, and I think it's really going to be good. And so for all you vegetarians out there, I know you'll like this because it don't have any meat in it, so let's get started with it. Okay, first thing we've got here is a 12-ounce bag of these frozen California-style vegetable mix. And then I have 3/4 of a cup of these onions right here. Make sure you see everything good. I have 1/4 of a cup of, today I'm using Mexican style blend cheese. Dump that in there. Now I've got 1/3 of a cup, that's a heaping cup of sour cream. Okay, and now of course I've got my, I was trying to see the ounces on here. Yeah, that's 10.5 ounces of cream of mushroom soup here, Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. So we'll dump that in there. Now we're going to try to mix all this up real good. We were wondering if it needed a little liquid to it, but it doesn't seem like it. Seems to be mixing up pretty good here now. Okay, now I've got this 7-cup anchor hocking bowl here. We'll start scooping this into. Okay, now I want to set on this little trivet here that came with the Ninja FOODi. Okay, now I'm going to set them right down in here in this Ninja FOODi like this, and I'm going to shut the lid. Okay, now I'll hit the power button. Now I'll put it on bake broil here. At 350 degrees. You got to be smarter than your machine. Set on bake broil, come over here and hit your temperature button. Let it flash. Alright, go down to 350. Okay, now go over here to your time button, hit that, and then your time will start flashing. And you go up to 20 minutes. Now, the recipe in this book I've got calls for 40 minutes in the oven. So I'm not going to do it for 20 minutes in this, and then we'll go check the temperature and see how it is. So then we'll hit the start button, let it get going here. So now, while you got a chance, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. Thank you very much, you people that watches our videos. We'll be back in a few minutes. 10 seconds, and I don't think it's done because we just snuck a peek at it and the veggies wasn't quite tender enough. So I think when it runs out right here, I'm going to let you take a look at it because it does look pretty good. And then I'm going to put another 10 minutes on it and let it go again, but I'll let you peek real quick. There you go. See, that's looking real good. But like I say, the veggies are not good and tender yet. So I'm going to put another 10 minutes on it and we'll see what happens then. So in order to do that, now I went ahead and reset to the 375. So I'm going to go back over here and set it back down to 350. Alright, I'm going to come back over here where the time is at. I'm going to drop it down to 10 minutes. I'm going to hit the start button. And then we'll see how it is. We're going to eat it after this 10 minutes. Well, no, we're not either. We're going to add some more stuff to it after this 10 minutes. Okay, now we're down under 30 seconds here, and that's a total cook time of 30 minutes on this thing. And we looked at it just a minute or two ago, and it looks like it's just about right. So the next thing we got to do, we'll lift this door up, and y'all take a look at it. All right, now. Alright, now the instructions say to stir it up pretty good. And don't stick your hand down there and try to hold that because it's hot. So we'll stir it up just like this. Well, that looks good. Now I'm going to try to smooth it out the best I can here. Just like that. Now next thing we're going to do, is we're going to take some more of these onions here, these dried onions, fried onions, whatever you call them, sprinkle on top of it. Oh, that looks pretty good. And then we're going to take our Mexican style blend cheese here and put right on top of that. And I told you not to touch that bowl because it's hot. But why I keep doing that? There you go, just like that. Now, you can't ever get too much cheese on it, you know, just throw you a little bit over in that little empty spot. Okay, now we're going to shut the lid and we're going to bring it back down to, go hit the temp button right here and bring it down to 350 again when it starts flashing. Alright, and then we'll come over here and hit our time button. When it starts flashing, we're going to bring it down to 5 minutes. Now I just want that cheese to get good and brown on top. So I'm going to, stupid. So I'm going to hit the start button. And then I'm going to raise that lid before 5 minutes is up though and take a look at it. And I'll let you see the same time I do. Because I don't want it to burn the cheese, I just want it to be a good golden brown. Now we're down under 20 seconds. And I've been keeping an eye on it. I'm not going to let it burn, but it's starting to get good and brown. I don't want it to get too brown though. So, just another few seconds, we'll take a look down that pot and see what it looks like. So it's done, so let's go over here and open the lid. Okay, that looks really good, don't it? So, yeah, it sure does. So, now I want to see if I can get it out here without hurting myself and put it over here on this flexible cutting board. And see if I can do it without hurting myself or putting it on the floor. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn the Ninja FOODi around just a little bit so I can get a hold of it better. And here it comes just like that. Spread those out just a little bit for it. Right, now, We'll get my pot holder here, see if I can get it over on it. Just like that, and get this out of the way into the sink. Ouch, that bowl's hot. I'm gonna tell y'all, don't touch that bowl. So now, next thing I'm gonna do is take this spoon here and see if we can get some out. Oh, that looks good and cheesy and juicy. Okay, now the first little bowl here goes to the boss. I'll fix me a little plate of it. Now when you see me fix these vegetarian plates like this, you know that's for my vegetarian daughter. Because everybody's not vegetarian, you know, but this is still good anyway. Oh yeah. Now, get me a fork. Okay, and there it says it's really delicious, so I haven't taken a bite yet, so let's see here. Mm-hmm. Alright, now this is really good. I don't care whether you're vegetarian or not, this is delicious right here. You need to try this. Okay, now that's about it for this little video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed fixing it for you. I'm going to tell you right now, this is really good. This is another one of those that I never had to fix before. So I just found us the recipe, so I thought we'd try it with the holidays coming up. It'll be a good one to fix. So, in the meantime, I hope you watch more of my videos and hope you'll come back and see me real soon. If you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. And so until next time, y'all have a real good and safe and good day now. We'll come back and see me as soon as you can. Goodbye now.